Okay, next we have a pentagonal pyramid. So we have a pentagon at the bottom of our pyramid. And this is all facing upwards. Okay, so now we want to find the number of faces. So number of faces, we see 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom, so that's 2. And that's plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles around the side, so we get 7 in total. The number of edges, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the top, and then there's 5 on the bottom. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up and down, so that's 15. And then the number of vertices, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corners at the top there, and it's going to be 5 at the bottom as well, so it's 10. So then we want to use Euler's formula, so F plus V minus E gives us 2. Faces, we got 7, vertices, we got 10, and edges, we got 15. And this does in fact equal 2, so 2 equals 2, and Euler's formula does work.